In this quick video, I'm going to install these wireless turn signals with a handlebar remote on my Ridstar e-bike. A link to these turn signals are above and also in the description. Now these turn signals have both front and rear, and they have a caution or parking, and it also has a visibility strobe light. So let's get started on this quick install. Now I'm going to make sure that I have the two that go on the left and the two that go on the right. These turn signals simply use a rubber band to attach to any type of round tubing. It's real nice and easy like that. What's nice is they shut off after 30 seconds. That was a quick install of the turn signals on the front and rear. They're definitely nice and bright. Here is the switch here. So I have the right, left, and then I also have the caution. So you're going to hit the caution for the visibility strobes. Hit it one more time. It puts the parking lights on. And then the third time it shuts it off. Then you have your right turn signal and left turn signal. So I hope that you liked this video. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.